So I already have, this is my Micro ATX Dark Flash, all white and black case. I already have the power supply already installed in. It's behind this, it's in the back. But first I'm going to be putting, first thing I'm putting is the CPU and the cooler on this B450 AM4 socket motherboard with 2 RAM slots, which we're both going to be filling with the 16 gigabyte RAM kits from Oloy. So let's do it. The bracket on the motherboard to the CPU socket, and then you grab the CPU itself. I'm gonna match that gold little corner with the corner right there. And then it just falls right in. You just place it. There, it just falls right in. It's a little, and then. So now that we installed the CPU cooler, the cooler already has the pre-applied thermal paste on it. So I'm just gonna be using this cooler. Maybe in the future I'll upgrade to an AIO cooler. For now, we'll just be using this one. Actually an idiot. I installed the CPU fan backwards. This AMD symbol is supposed to be facing this way because the RAM cannot go inside this slot. So I'm gonna have to be taking out the fan out to install the RAM. The RAM is the easiest part. You just slide it in the RAM slots like that, and then just push it down until they click on each end. This should just snap into place. And so now I'm gonna start just plugging everything in before I actually put in the graphics card. And mostly all the wires and stuff is installed, and the RAM's installed. Great. All the cables back here is pretty neatly managed almost. I have a 500 watt power supply. And then this is the SSD I'm using to boot up Windows 10, so it can just boot up faster every time I turn on my computer. The graphics card is still not installed yet. I'm gonna be putting it after I install the SSD, and I'll do that right now. SSD right there, look nice. This stupid tape, I don't know what happened to that tape, it just never came off. It's so annoying. But time to install the graphics card. But what the heck is going on? Hold on, this is so small to fit in. What the heck? How do I? Hold on, I gotta put the phone down. Alright, and there. I got the graphics card installed. I just need to move this thing. I'll just move it away in a little bit. But yeah, everything's should be plugged in correctly. Let me put the front panel back on, the back panel, and then the glass panel. And then I'll just turn it on and see if everything is working. Hard drive already, it's a 6 terabyte. I know it sounds like super freaking overkill, but it was a gift from a friend, so that's why I'm gonna be, give me a second. That's why I'm gonna be using it, because a friend, I did have a 1 terabyte hard drive and another 500 gig, but that was a gift, so I might as well just use it in this build. This case is, it's a really nice case. This is the back of it. This is the front. It's a super budget friendly case. I love this case. I do have everything in here already. Good news, I didn't know that graphics card doesn't need a 6-pin or an 8-pin connector, which kind of does suck because it would look nice with the other white extension cable, but it's fine. I don't really care. I guess it just works as soon as you plug it straight into the PCIe connector. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just some weird person is gonna get turned on by that, so there it is. This is how it is. This is it. And I'm gonna boot up Windows, and I'm gonna just show you how it looks in the end. And I need to get rid of this stupid freaking, what's it called, clip tie. All right, you're back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished product of it. We have the tempered glass after I cleaned up all the cables and everything. It took me a while, have all the cables managed and stuff. But yeah, this is how it is. Let's turn it on. I already have Windows installed and everything. So I am gonna get some additional, maybe non-RGB fans for it. Maybe I will get some RGB fans, but so far it didn't get hot or anything. It seems pretty cool. But it's still, I still need that good airflow, just good cooling overall. So I will probably get like 2 additional fans for the case, you know, just so everything could stay at cool temperatures, so it won't get so hot. And there it is. This is the finished product. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and everything I use in this build will be in the description down below. Again, thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, thank you and have a good day.